Olá, my name is Lucas Abiko and I've been teaching Portuguese for over 5 years, helping students discover a language that's spoken across 4 continents but sounds different in every neighborhood. I'm Brazilian, but I studied at the university in Portugal and lived there for several years. And that experience taught me something crucial. Portuguese isn't one language. It's dozens of accents, expressions, and cultural codes packed into one. It changes from city to city and from country to country. And that's exactly what makes it so rich. That's why I'm excited to be the Portuguese Language Ambassador for language trainers. Here, you won't just learn what to say, but also when, how, and why to say things in a certain way. You also understand how culture directly influences the way we communicate. On my ambassador page, I'm sharing articles and videos that go beyond textbook Portuguese. You'll find practical tips like when to use você versus tu, how to understand Brazilian slang, why Portuguese pronunciation can be tricky, and the cultural stories behind common expressions. So if you'd like to explore Portuguese in more depth with cultural insights and practical tips to support your learning, you can find the link below. Portuguese connects over 250 million people across Brazil, Portugal, Angola, Mozambique, and beyond. Whether you learn for travel, family, work, or just love for the language, I'm here to make your journey authentic and fun. My goal? To help you communicate like a real person, not a textbook. I would also be happy to stay in touch, so feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Don't forget to follow language trainers on social media and check out my new articles and videos for weekly tips on accents, slang, and the cultural secrets that Portuguese has for you. Let's explore together what the Portuguese language can open up for you. Até a próxima. Tchau, tchau.